Hi guys, hi everybody, what's up, what's poppin'? It's your girl Imani. I am back with another video. This is a wig reinstall slash wig revamp. It was one of my old black wigs that you probably saw in my previous video. I just wanted to go ahead and give it a new style, to give myself a new style. And let's go ahead and get into this video. So as you can see, I braided my hair in these struggle Hellboy looking braids. I don't even know what to call them, like a daggone ram, but I went ahead and just did those struggle braids because it's going up under a wig, so who really cares? It's moisturized and everything. I think I used wild growth oil, some Dew Grow, or either it was Design Essentials. It was one of them, but my hair is oiled and greased, guys. So the next thing that you're going to see me do is go in with the Ghost Bond and go ahead and put that around my edges. I went ahead and slicked my hair back with this 24-hour edge control. I think it was like Edge Booster or something like that. I don't know. It smells like kiwis. It's really, really good. I like it. It's a really strong hold. You don't really have to keep really applying because if you do, it's going to be build up. It's going to be gross. I've been starting my hair journey with trying to grow it out. So I've been wearing a lot of wigs lately and doing sew-ins. So I'm trying to get my hair down to the middle of my back, guys. Yes, I did bleach my hair. Actually, I didn't bleach it. My cousin did. She's a certified beautician. So she went ahead and bleached it and turned my hair orange for me. But that only lasted for like 2 weeks. My roots started like showing immediately. That's fast hair growth, though, girl. So I went ahead and sprayed the wig cap with the Got to Be Glued spray just to add an extra hold. And you're gonna see me go ahead and trim off the extra wig cap, guys. Also, this is a big obviously, I am not a certified beautician. So please, if you see me doing anything that you do not like, don't care for, I did it wrong, or whatever you may think, please do not drag me in the comments, guys. Just politely let me know so I can do it, because I'm trying to perfect this anyway. Just let me know in the comments, like, girl, I would have did this way. And I'm like, girl, I probably should have done it that way, but I don't really know what I'm doing. So just let me know in the comments if you think otherwise or feel otherwise about what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm just going to snip off the extra cap, and then I'm going to blend it in with my skin, which is the part that kind of bugged me the most, because during the transitioning months between like summer, fall, and winter, my skin complexion completely changes. So it's like I have to buy 3 different foundations. Luckily, I am a self-taught makeup artist, so I do kind of know how to go about finding my actual color range, like my color match. It's just annoying because I go from a completely different shade to being the lightest among the lightest in the wintertime. But yeah, you're gonna go ahead and see me cut the excess cap off. Also, you're probably gonna actually see me go back in with the Ghost Bond glue. Ghost Bond glue. Can't say that too fast. And lay down the edges so that it's as smooth as possible, because we want this wig cap to look like skin. I probably put too much product on that, now that I think about it. But yeah, this is what we're doing. But guys, I've been gone because, as you know, I gave birth to my son Cameron, and I just needed a well-needed 2-week break. I dropped a daily vlog for you guys, which is just like a family day thing. But I want to get back into my channel and dropping more beauty stuff for you, more hair installs, more, you know, makeup tutorials, reviews, stuff like that. I really want to push out more and better content. I'm also trying to figure out how to fix my my camera to give better videos as far as the quality, because I feel like my exposure kind of comes off, or is it with the exposure or whatever it is, it comes off kind of orangey, and I don't like that. Like, I feel like when I take my photos, like my photos come off like with this warm, like really, really warm hue. And the thing is, my vanity has white fluorescent bulbs, and my ring light, I didn't set it to a warm tone. I set it to a more cool tone. But for whatever reason, I keep getting like this orange hue around my whole photo, not just me, like with the background and everything, like the whole image is like orange, and I don't like that. So maybe I need to check my camera. So if any of you guys have like any camera experience, please let me know in the comments below of what I can do. Like, if it's not the video, guys, let me know. Maybe it's just my photos. I'm gonna see, because I feel like for the most part my videos have been way better than what they were prior, but I definitely feel like my photos are coming out like I'm putting a filter over it, and it does not look good. But yeah, guys, this is the wig that my cousin made. As you can see, it's been plucked with, it's been messed with, it's been woo child, yeah. So I just felt like, let's see what I can do with this. Let's see if I can revamp this. Let's see if I can kind of fix this. Because this was not the first one. It was another wig that I had that I tried, you know, really testing myself on as far as cutting the lace and stuff off. And guys, I don't know why I've been making this thing so much harder than it really is. It's not that hard to actually put these things down. I just didn't know what the hell I was doing. So yeah, you're gonna go ahead and see me go in and mess with this wig for a while, put in the place it needs to be put in, put some more glue down because I feel like the areas that it was in, it wasn't holding right. So I tried to go ahead and put it back in with the ghost blonde glue. And then plus, why not have the extra hold? It's needed any daggone way. But yeah, guys, if you have like any key points with the camera setting, please let me know because I just feel like my photos are coming out kind of orangey. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, go to my Instagram page. You'll kind of start seeing like this. You're gonna think it's an aesthetic, and it's not, and it's really bothering me. So if you have any idea of what it is, please let me know and comment down below. Also, while you're here, make sure you subscribe, guys. Subscribe, like, comment. You know, let me know that you're here. Let me know what else you want to see. I'm trying to be more versatile as far as my videos, especially with the beauty realm. I feel like the beauty industry has changed. Like makeup tutorials aren't like as raved about as they were like when I first started, like maybe 5 years ago, and then like leading up to 2021. Like I just feel like it's changed. Like I used to like the joy of seeing a makeup tutorial. Like it felt like I was watching a reality TV show. It felt like I was getting like that like I don't know, like I just feel like it's not the same anymore. Like the whole beauty industry is just not the same anymore. Makeup, maybe because I've been in it for so long, I don't know, but I just feel like it's just not what it used to be. And I would like for it to get back to that because it was a different joy watching makeup tutorials and actually doing them. Like I felt like I was actually a part of the beauty community back then. Like it really felt like, you know, you were getting noticed easier or more. But as you guys see right now, I am laying down the hair, probably butchering it even more than it's already been butchered. Oh my gosh. Yeah. What the freak. But I'm taking this eyebrow razor because I didn't want any straight rounded lines because my hairline is not round, obviously. The jagged eyebrow, why am I having a brain fart? The jagged eyebrow razor, the eyebrow razor gives it like this jagged feel to it, so it looks more like a natural hairline, a more clean hairline. But as you guys are gonna see, I'm gonna go through and tweak and mess with and probably F up and find the beauty in it. But yeah, you're gonna see me do all of that good stuff with this wig. Also be sure to tune into my previous videos, guys. I will be dropping another look. Actually, at the end of this video, you're going to see a completed makeup look, and I'll be dropping a tutorial on that too. I'm trying to figure out what else I want to do as far as a lineup. That's the only thing, like completing or creating an actual YouTube itinerary is kind of like, oh my gosh, what else do I do? What is, I don't know, guys, but I'm going to figure out something for you. And if you guys rock with it, just continue to let me know in the comments below. You guys have been great with letting me know what you want to see or letting me know like, oh, you like this content that I'm putting out. So thank you for that. Oh my goodness, yes, guys. When I say I was really messing with a whole bunch of stuff, like I was the wig cap, the wig. I am not a professional, and it shows. Ugh. But you know, right now with COVID, you gotta have somebody, or you need to know how to do your hair. It's just going out right now with a newborn, just going out in general, where I just feel like, you know, it's not safe for me to go out because it's COVID. I don't want to bring it back to my baby, so I gotta figure out what the hell to do with my own hair. Anyway, so as you can see, I'm leaving this scarf on. I couldn't find my edge scarf, so I just took a regular one, and I'm laying down my hair so that it looks like skin, so we can melt it into the skin or whatever. And I'm combing out the hair. This hair was like 26 inches or something like that. But you're gonna see me going with some shears. Yes, these are shears, guys. I went to a makeup school that I did not complete because I just felt like it wasn't for me. Even after talking to the instructor, they was like, you really need to be here. And I think they came from a place of love when they said that, because I just feel like I wasn't getting what I wanted, or I just felt like what I was doing was kind of some God-given talent. Not saying it couldn't be perfected or anything like that, but I just feel like, you know, what's for me will be for me. Yeah, so I'm taking these shears and cutting the hair to about shoulder length, if not a little bit shorter, probably about to my jawline. And then I'm going in with this comb that has razors in it. I Like I said, this is probably why I probably should have stuck with the spool. But yeah, I'm taking that just to add layers and take it off, not so it doesn't look so choppy or doesn't look so like one-dimensional. I just wanted to add some layers to it. Yeah, there's a thin tooth comb side and the wide tooth one. I think one is just for like the thin tooth is probably for like your thinner hair, and the wide tooth is just for your thicker hair, so it's easier and faster to cut off. So I'm using the thick side because this hair is thick. And you're gonna see me alternate with the scissors and everything just to see about everything. Like honestly guys, like I said, I'm not professional. I'm kind of just going in on a whim with this. I'm just chopping away. Yeah, we'll see how this turns out in the end. This is kind of one of those things where it's like, this can go really, really bad or really, really well. Yeah. So I'm putting some of the olive oil mousse in my hair. I think that's what it is. It's that little green and silver green, but whatever. It's the olive oil one. But I'm putting that in my hair with some water, and I'm just gonna keep doing it until I get the curl pattern and intensity that I want. Also, when doing so, this tells me if I need to cut it anywhere. It shows me like if something isn't right. But yep, you're just gonna keep seeing me fluff it out and add the water, and yeah. It's looking like something. It's looking like something. I'm playing with it right now. Like I said, it wasn't really any real direction I was going in. Like I said, I just wanted a cute little curly cut bob or whatever. I do wish the curls were a little bit tighter, not necessarily like Shirley Temples or anything like that. I just wanted something a little bit tighter. But ultimately, it still came out kind of nice or whatever. But as you can see, I'm taking it off. And I'm about to do my edges because right now it just looks bad. Like this just looks like, girl, what the freak is this? Yeah. So I'm gonna give it some more dimension, comb it out some more, see what I want to do with it, and you guys are gonna see me with my edges. Also, because I'm using the edge booster. They come in different, like I was gonna say flavors. I'm not out here chasing edge control. They come in different scents. I have the kiwi one, kiwi strawberry, I believe. It smells really good, and it's like I said, the hold is amazing. You don't need much. You only need a little bit. I'm just kind of giving myself like a mapping route for my edges. I know they're kind of thick right now, so you're gonna see me pluck here and there. Well, I did that one off camera just so I can figure out how I wanted this to look. But yeah, I'm going to go in and do my sideburns, do some edges on that side. Like I said, I'm not really adding a part. That part that you see in the middle of my head was already there for the middle part, and I kind of liked it, so I just left it there. But yeah, here is the part for the sideburns. I'm gonna take some tweezers, and since the hair was wet because I sprayed it, it helped more with the plucking. And it also helped me guide to figure out how like thick or how thin I wanted it to be. So yes, you're gonna see me use this comb and kind of like, yeah, like that. Like that side, I was like, okay, yeah, too thick, so we're gonna go back in and we're gonna pluck that. Even though I'd already laid it down, but it's okay. I'm also plucking the edges some more just so the hairline doesn't look so intense. Well, guys, also, if you are in the 757 area, also known as Virginia, like the Hampton Roads, Newport News, Portsmouth, Norfolk, all of that, I am a local makeup artist and I am currently taking clients. So if you are ever in need of any services as far as makeup services, feel free to contact me or comment down below or follow me on Instagram. And I will point you in the right direction as far as booking. So feel free. I'm going to add it in the description box just in case too. I am traveling to the DMV area, so if you are in need of a makeup artist, just, you know, book or comment down below or follow me on Instagram and let me know, because I am accepting clients. But that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. You're going to see me insert a clip at the end because I forgot to record the ending of this video. But this is how the look turned out. I really love it. Also, you're seeing this makeup look. It's going to be dropped soon. So be sure to comment, like, subscribe so you can be notified. Specifically hit that bell so you can be notified when your girl uploads her next video, because the next video will be uploaded tomorrow on this makeup look. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you next time.